you got cut off. And you race to the red light. Okay. Stop at this time. Hi, stop sign, thank you. Stop tailgating, Miss New Jersey. Just go, dude. Just give me a fucking dirty look. Jesus Christ. Red light runner! Toyota! Hi, stop. Stoppity, stop, stop. Jesus. Dickhead. Jesus! You fucking asshole! Off my ass, Toyota. Thank you. Did you just exit dive? Yes, you did. Minivan. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. You do not have a protected red arrow there. Green. Okay, stop, 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 stop. Asshole. That was not the same Subaru, by the way. You can stop too, dude. Come on. Everybody, stop, 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 stop. Stop! I'm coming. I guess everybody wants hot and crispy fries today? The lane's blocked, lady. Why don't you just freaking go? She's still sitting there. Yep, yep, yep. Good. Thank you. Ride with traffic, not against it, old man. You're gonna get killed. Car closing in on you, dummy. Good looked. Hello, hello, hello. I think you just ran the red light. Let's see, who'd we grab? It's a asshole I'm gonna celebrate. It's an asshole! I'm celebrating! Blinker, thank you! No! You turd! Hello! 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 That wasn't nice. Yeah! Stay in your lane! damn truck off. Hasn't snowed in days. Okay, what the fuck was that? Oh, nice. Thank you, Sentra. I got a rock chip. How? Hi, I'm not here. Thank you, Grandpa. Why don't you just turn right on red, dude? You could have beat this idiot to the park. Go! Would you go? Would you go? Come on, would you go? Please go. Go! Hello? It's not a no turn on red. You can go. Pedestrians are gone. Yelling at me in your rearview mirror lady, for fuck's sake.